Finish, ma'am.
Finished, Amma? 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, okay?
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute, children. Who finished? Sukri Gautama. No, Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Very good, Visha. Well done, but leave one block and write, ma. Don't continue to the next block. When you finish it one block, leave the next row and then you write. Continue with the next another row, okay? From 60
Okay,
to
ma'am.
70, you have continued to the from the next row itself, right? Hereafter, you don't continue like that, okay? Very good, Hazel. Good. Count with your fingers and write, children. It will be easy for you. One finger means number 1 and 0. 1, 0, 10. And second finger number 2, 2, 0, 20. Like that you count with your finger. It will be easy. 1, 0, 10. 2, 0, 20. 3, 0, 30. 4, 0, 40. 5, 0, 50. 6, 0, 60. 7, 0, 70. 8, 0, 80. 9, 0, 90. 1, 0, 0, 100. We are very good, Mamitra. Good morning, Ma Rudvin. Take a slate and write, Ma. Tens counting from 10 to 100.
Finish, ma'am.
Vihan, now only you joined, right? Finished. Let me see. What you finished?
10, 20, 10 to 100, ma'am.
Really, I've written on your slate.
Yes, ma'am. He wrote actually. You can't see?
1 minute. Let me pin and see. 1 minute.
Okay.
Oh, very lightly it is written. Good. Good.
Slate pencil.
Written with that sticker. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Slate pencil he wrote.
Okay.
10
Finish.
to 100 only, right, ma'am?
Yeah. Tens counting. Only tens
Okay.
counting.
Okay.
Vihan, tell me months of the year. Months of the year, Vihan. January. Come on, Vihan. January. Very good, ma. Mahini. Very good girl.
January.
January.
Hmm.
February.
Correct only, yeah.
March.
March.
April.
April.
Oh.
May.
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 June.
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 July.
July.
August.
August.
September. October. November. December.
December.
Okay, parents, I want all of you to record an audio of this months of the year and send it in group. Everyone. Okay, months of the year from January to December. Finished, everyone? Shall we start our session? Who is still writing? Taruneshwar, finish?
Sukri is writing, ma'am.
Right, ma, right.
Writing.
Rudvin, right. Finished, Rudvin. Who finished? I can't hear you properly. Finished,
No, ma'am.
Rudvin writing. Okay, fine. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Super. Good girl. Welcome. Where is Dashwan?
Writing, ma'am. Correct.
Writing. Okay. Write fast, children. Let us start our session. Come on, write fast. Finished, Sukriv Gautam? Good.
Yes.
You wrote in notebook. Okay, fine.
Okay.
What you have written? Wait, let me pin and see. 1 minute. Show me again.
Ma'am, show me again. Good boy.
Okay, good. Good boy only. Sukriv Gautam. Always good boy da. Good morning, Sarah. Sarah, take your slate and write tens counting. Good morning, Kana. Take your slate and write tens counting 10, 20, 30, 40. Till 100 you have to write, okay? Rudvin.
Okay.
Yeah, fine. Rudvin. ஐயோ ஒண்ணுமே தெரியல எனக்கு. He wrote on his own, or you are helping him? Rudvin's mom.
No, ma'am. He wrote on.
Own only, yeah?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Super, Rudvin. Very good boy. Rudvin, sing any rhyme. Let me check how you are singing. Rocket, rocket, over, over. Louder. Okay, ma. Sing. Na ma'am பாக்குறது பாடுங்க. Come on. சூப்பர் மாருத்வேன், வெரி குட். இந்த அளவுக்கு பாட வந்துட்டீங்களே, சூப்பர், வெரி குட். ஓகே, குட் பாய். Okay, children. Shall we start our session, children? Yeah, good morning, ma. Ananya. Sarah, did you finish? Ananya, write tens counting in your slate. Good morning. Write tens counting in your slate. 10 to 100. Hazel, do you know month of the year, Hazel? Do you know month?
Start.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
So, very good. Okay, next is Keshav. Keshav, months of the year. Next, Mahini, be ready. January,
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
very good. Next, Mahini, months of the year. January,
March,
February. Okay, fine. June. June.
சத்தமா சொல்லு. ஜூலை சொல்லிட்டா.
July,
August.
Faster.
September.
September, November,
October.
October, December.
November. December. According to you, only 6 months will come, Naughty girl. Okay, you have to record an audio and send it clearly. Okay, Mahini? Yes, Mitra, months of the year.
Okay, ma'am. January, February, March, May,
April.
March, April, June,
May.
June, July, August, September, October, November,
December. Very good. Next is Sukriv Gautam.
சொல்லுமா.
September,
First January.
March, April,
May,
August,
June. June.
June, July, June.
I myself will forget month of the year, huh? From the beginning, January.
March,
April, May,
June, August,
July,
October, November,
October.
December.
Ayyo, 10 months only it has come. You ate 2 months, huh? Ate 2 months, huh? Very hungry, huh? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year, huh? You told only 10 months. 2 months, swaha. I cut it properly and send it, okay? Next, Visha.
January, February, March, April, June,
May,
June, July, August, September, December,
October, November.
November, December.
Very good. Well done. Thank you. Okay, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Let us start. Yeah, good morning, Ma Radhyani. Good morning. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Mitra Kidzi Antam.
Kidzi anthem. You are with me. You are unique.
Infinite.
You define my potential inside.
You are the wings
You are the wings.
beneath my flight.
Finish my flight.
You define me.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge. Do
With all my might.
I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning. Very, very, very good morning to everyone. Yes, very good morning, children. Okay, stand up, all of you first. We'll sing the rhyme if you're happy and you know it. Yes? Come on, all of you. Stand up, all of you. Mahirni, stand up. Stand up. Where is Mahirni's face?
Where is you?
Mahirni, where is your face?
Where is your face? Show your face.
I'm going to sing your favorite rhyme if you're happy and you know it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. Yes. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Jump up high. Yes, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray. Yes, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, say hello, ma'am. If you're happy and you know it, say hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, what will you say?
Hello.
Huh? Hello. Yes, very good. Okay, keep standing for the warm up activity, children. Okay.
Ma'am.
Stop. Tiger. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Dashwan. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason. Absent. Keshav. Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radyani.
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Very good, Radyani. Rudvin.
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Very good, Rudvin. Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukrit Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Sukrit Gautam. Very good, ma. Sukrit Gautam.
Yes,
Visha.
ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Mahirni.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Mahirni. Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Taruneshwar. Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Varsha. Is absent. Vihan.
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you, children. Yes, children, we'll finish off with our rhymes quickly and we'll learn a new concept today, okay? And rhymes over. Okay, first is over. Oh, where has my little dog gone? Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can it be? Okay, and next is under a web. Under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. And the third rhyme is butterfly rhyme. Okay? First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Now the fourth rhyme is rocket. Rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. And the final rhyme, the fifth rhyme is pentagon rhyme. Okay? Pentagon. What do you know, anyone? Anyone knows the pentagon rhyme? Very easy rhyme. Yes, Mahini.
Has five sides.
A pentagon has 5 sides.
One,
1,
two,
2,
three,
3,
four,
4, 5. Very good. So these are the 5 rhymes for your term 2 assessment. So from these 5 rhymes, any 2 rhymes you have to sing very clearly, children. Okay, when you sing very clearly only, I'll give you full marks. Okay, so sing clearly because you have 5 rhymes. Out of 5, you can choose any 2. Okay, and the concept what we are going to learn. Yesterday we learned about pollution. Yes, today we are going to learn about communication. What is communication? Communication means now ma'am is talking with you. If I am not talking with you, how will you learn? If you want something, when you go and ask your parents only, they will know what you want. Okay, and if your parents talk with you only, you will also learn something. You will also know something. When you keep quiet, can you hear or can you learn anything? When you keep quiet, can you learn anything? No. Okay, now I'm going to give you a task. Okay, you know what task is that? You should keep your mouth quiet. You should not talk. But you have to ask your parents to give you water. How will you ask with your actions? How will you ask with your actions? Come on, call your mama and ask. You should not talk. Your mama or daddy or brother, whoever near you. First, call your parents. How will you call your parents using your actions? How will you call without talking? பேசவே கூடாது. ஆனா நீங்க actions மூலமா சொல்லணும். How will you say? How will you do that?
Water வேணும்னு எப்படி கேட்கும்? Action.
First you're calling. Yes?
Mouth.
Dina என்னது? What is this action? What is this action? Come. Okay. And then you are going to ask water. How will you ask? Very good. Very good. Do you know what type of communication is this? Do you know what type of communication is this? This is sign language, children. Okay, without talking, we are communicating. That is sign language. So there are many types of communication. First is verbal communication. Verbal communication is talking. Now ma'am is talking with you, right? So that is verbal communication. Next is written. Written communication is writing. If you write letter to your friends, yes, when you're typing a message to your friends, yes, your parents and all will type message right in WhatsApp or else in messages also they will send, right? That type of communication is written communication. And the third is sign language. Now what you did? இப்படி காமிச்சிங்க இல்லையா, that is sign language without talking or writing. It will not include both the actions. Without talking and writing, the way which you use to communicate is called as sign language. So there are three types of communications. What are they? First is verbal communication. Second one is written communication. And the third one is sign language. Okay, repeat after ma'am. Verbal communication. Verbal communication na பேசுறது. Okay, verbal communication. Second one is written communication. Written. Written na எழுதி சொல்றது. எழுதி பேசுறது. When somebody is very far, if you are not able to talk with them, what you will do? You will speak through messages. Yes, that is written communication. And the third one is sign language. Sign language is talking through actions. You will not at all talk or you will not at all write, but only through actions you will communicate. Okay, now look at the screen, everyone. Is my screen visible to everyone? Yes, communication. Yeah, thank you ma. Communication. So first is verbal communication. As I said, verbal communication action is through your mouth. What you are communicating through your mouth. Whatever you ask your parents, whatever answers they give you, என்ன நீங்க பேசினாலும் அது verbal communication. பேசுறது மூலியமா நம்ம communicate பண்றதுக்கு பேரு verbal communication. So what includes verbal communication? In a meeting, if there is a meeting, what your parents will do? Will they sit quietly? If there is a meeting, will they sit quietly? Or if they meet their friends, will they sit quietly? Yes or no? Will they sit quietly or they will talk? என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? இப்ப ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை மீட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா குவைட்டா இருப்பீங்களா இல்ல பேசுவீங்களா? என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? பேசுவீங்களா இல்ல அமைதியா இருப்பீங்களா? பேசுவீங்க, right? That is verbal communication. Here they are talking with each other. See here, this is verbal communication. And here the teacher is teaching. She is also talking and the girl is also answering. Okay, through mouth. Okay, that is verbal communication. Can you understand, children? Verbal communication na பேசுறது. That is verbal communication. Look here, the teacher is asking questions like ma'am, like Vanilla ma'am, I used to ask questions to you, right? And then you used to answer. That is verbal communication. Now also it is verbal communication. And next, mobile phones, telephones and all you will use and you will talk. Yes, without talking, can you communicate through phones? Phoneல பேசாம சும்மா காதுல வச்சுட்டே இருந்தா யாருக்காவது கேக்குமா? நீங்க என்ன பேசுறீங்கன்றது கேக்குமா? கேட்காது. நீங்க பேசினாதான் கேக்கும். இல்லையா? That is verbal communication. Okay, children? And next is written communication. Written na enna? Write na enna? What is write? I will always ask you write. What is write?
எழுதுறது.
Very good, children. Write na எழுதுறது. எழுத்து மூலமா நீங்க கம்யூனிகேட் பண்றதுக்கு பேர் தான் written communication. Okay, what your parents will do, suppose you are taking leave. What your mummy will do, you know, she will type a message to ma'am. Ma'am, Mitra is not feeling well, she will not attend class today. Ma'am, Mahini is not feeling well, she will not attend class today. Ma'am, Vihan is out of station, we will not attend class today. So they are not talking with me, but they are typing messages in the mobile and sending it to me. That type of communication is known as written communication. Instead of writing, now the technology has improved, so we are typing it. Okay. First and all, in olden days, what they used to do, they used to write letters, telegram and all. They used to write letters and send. But now the technology has improved a lot. Now we are using WhatsApp, email, fax, everything for communication. See here, the girl is writing letter to her friend or someone. Okay. So this is written communication. Written communication எழுதுறது, லெட்டர் எழுதுறது, எழுதி அதுக்கு மூலியமா நீங்க பேசிக்கிறது, கம்யூனிகேஷன், அதாவது இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஷேர் பண்றது. ஓகே, தட் இஸ் written communication. When you write a letter, what you will first do, you will go and post it in the post box. Okay, if you write a letter and if you keep it with you, how the letter will go and reach your friends? You don't know, right? So what we should do, ஒரு letter எழுதணும்னா first we have to go and post it in the post box. Okay, then the postman, can you see he is collecting all the letters from the post box. This red color one, this is the post box, children. Okay, this is the postman. Okay, and then he goes to the post office and he separates all the letter according to the address and district, everything, and then he goes and delivers your letter. This way only your letter will reach your friends. Okay, next is, see here, as I told you, WhatsApp, email. Okay, all these are written communication. ரிட்டன், இதெல்லாம் நீங்க டைப் பண்ணுவீங்க, என்ன சொல்லணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அதை டைப் பண்ணுவீங்க. தட் இஸ் ரிட்டன் கம்யூனிகேஷன். ஓகே, சம்டைம்ஸ் யுவர் மம்மா ஆல்சோ ஷி வில் டைப் மெசேஜஸ் டு ஹர் ஆஃபீஸ் ஆர் டு ஹர் டாடி ஆர் டு யுவர் டாடி. எஸ், if you want something to buy from the market and if your daddy is not picking up the phone, what your mama will do? Buy milk and come. She will just type a message. Yes, that type of communication is written communication. And next one, the third one is sign language. Sign language. What is sign language? I ask you to show me thumbs up, right, when you finish your writing. Yes? What does that mean? That means you have finished your work. I ask you high five, give me high five. Why do I ask you to give high five? To say well done, good job. For that I used to give you high five. So all these actions are sign language, children. See here. Show me your happy faces, children. When you're happy, how will you show it in your face? When you're happy, how will you show it in your face? Yeah, when you're sad. When you're sad. When you're very angry. Very angry. Okay, and then when you're scared. When you're scared, ரொம்ப பயமா இருந்தா எப்படி இருப்பீங்க? Okay, here are you talking anything to ma'am? You are not talking. Instead of that, you are showing your actions, that you are feeling happy, you are feeling sad, you are feeling scared, and you are feeling angry. So all these actions are called as sign language. Okay, see, a separate news channel is also there because there are some people, they cannot speak and they cannot hear also. Okay, for such type of people, we use the sign language to communicate with them and to inform them what is happening around us. This is sign language. The news has been telecasted through sign language. That's it. So first is verbal communication. Verbal communication na பேசுறது, that is by what you are talking. பேசி information gather பண்ணிக்கிறது. That is verbal communication. And then verbal communication is through mobile phone, telephone, email, sorry, not email, online. Okay, that is verbal, where you can talk. Written communication is writing letters, posting letters, and then typing the messages in your phone or emailing. All that includes in written communication. And next is sign language includes showing your signs to communicate. Okay, without talking or without writing, only through actions when you communicate is known as sign language. Understood, children, all of you? Did you all understand what is communication? Yes, communication na ungalukkulle pesi information gather பண்ணிக்கிறது. That is communication. Now I want you to take your worksheet. Come on, take your worksheet, children. And the worksheet number is D105 CT. Children, look at the worksheet here. What are the things that we use to communicate in this worksheet? எதை யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணுவோம் டு யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்? வாட் ஆல் யூ வில் யூஸ் டு கம்யூனிகேட் டு யுவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்? எதை யூஸ் பண்ணி உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட பேசுவீங்க? வில் யூ யூஸ் அ ஃப்ரிட்ஜ் டு கம்யூனிகேட்? ஃப்ரிட்ஜ் யூஸ் பண்ணி பேசுவீங்களா? எஸ். வில் யூ யூஸ் அ ஃப்ரிட்ஜ்? நோ.
No.
வில் யூ யூஸ் அ கார்?
No.
Will you use a car to communicate? No, we cannot use a car, right? Okay. Will you use a letter to communicate? Postcard? Letter எழுதுவீங்களா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு? Yes. So what you will do? You will circle the postcard. Okay. And then will you call your friends? Will you call your friends to talk? Yes or no? Telephone. Will you use telephone to talk? Telephone. Yes. Now mobile is there, but in olden days we used telephone only. Even now public telephone booths are available, children. Next, computer. Will you use computer for communication? How are you learning online classes? How do you talk with Vanilla ma'am? How do you talk with Vanilla ma'am? How are you talking with Vanilla ma'am? எப்படி பேசுவீங்க Vanilla ma'am கிட்ட? Laptop, computer. Laptop or computer or tab or mobile, using all these only you are communicating with me. Okay, this is one type of communication. So circle all these three, children. Come on, write today's date also. Today's date is 1 dash 1 to 12 dash 2121. The day is Wednesday and the month is December. After this month, we are going to step into a new year, 2022, children. This is the last month of the year. Finished?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, all of you take your English notebook, children. All of you take your English notebook, write today's date. Parents, copy down this in their English notebook and give it to them. Write today's date and the heading is match. Copy this down in their English notebook and give it to them.
We should only write, no? Or
You write and give them. They will match. Okay. Just copy the questions and give it to them. நல்லா வைடா ஒரு லைன் விட்டு எழுதி கொடுங்க. Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, finished. Everyone? Children, now look here, children. Now what we are going to do is, I'm going to tell you the word. For example, I'll tell you car. K-R, car. Okay? So, K. First K means what letter you have to underline? K letter. R. A-R-R. Where is A-R-R? A-R-R. A-R-R is here. What you will do is K-R, car. Finally, you will match. Okay, like this you will do. This is the example I am doing. Car, car. Come on, match it. Finish? Finish means thumbs up, children. Car, car. Finish? Now the second one is B. B, ox, box. Where is ox word here? B is here. This one, B. B, B. Okay? Where is ox? Where is ox? Ox. 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 Have you matched it, children? B, ox, box. Where is here? Tell me. Who knows? Ox, ox.
First
B,
one.
ox, box.
First one.
Very good. B, ox, box. Well done. Okay, now the third one is P. P in pin. P is here. P, P, P. In. Find out the word in.
One.
Find out the word in. And then match it. P in pin. Parents, please don't teach them because this is an observation. Please let me know if they are finding any difficulty in matching these words. Okay. P in pin. P is here. Where is in you find out and then you match pin. P in. Where is in, children, here? What is the spelling for in? Can anyone help me? In. Very good. P in pin. I-N in. P in pin. Yeah, very good. Next one. Fourth is J. Jam. Jam. Where is am? Find out where is am. Jam. Jam. Can you help, ma'am? Where is jam? J is here. I cannot find am. Where is am? Am in the spelling. Last one. Thank you, Keshav. Okay. Last one is r. Okay. Rat. 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 R is here. Where is at? At. Rat. Three. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Who answered?
Visha.
Thank you, Visha. At. Rat. Did you all match it correctly? Is there anyone who is not able to identify the words for matching? Is Radhyani is able to match? Where is Radhyani? Radhyani is able to match Radhyani's mom?
Ma'am, she is matching, ma'am. Last two problems வந்து அவங்க மேட்ச் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. ப்ளே விளையாண்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க மேம். சொல்றதே கேட்க
But she knows that.
She knows that.
Radhyani, come on, now you match Radhyani. Last one, jam. Jam, jam.
Jam எங்க இருக்கு? மேட்ச் பண்ணு.
J, am. Match பண்ணலனா don't allow her to play with her sister. என்கிட்ட கொண்டு வந்து கொடுத்துருங்க. Okay? No sister for Radhyani.
Okay, ma'am. Brother, ma'am.
Brother. Sorry. No brother for Radhyani. Okay? I'll take your brother from your home. Come on, match it fast. மேட்ச் பண்ணாதான் பிரதர் கூட விளையாட முடியும், இல்லைன்னா நோ பிரதர். மேட்ச் இட். டோன்ட் லுக் அட் யுவர் மம்மா. ஐ எம் ஹியர், லுக் அட் மீ. ரத்யானி. உடனே அழுதுருது. Okay, fine. Finish. Others? Is there anyone who found it very difficult? Mahini, you finished it correctly? Very good, Mahini. Good. Vihan, Ananya, did you all do it correctly? Correctly. Very good. Good. Okay, now take your math notebook, children. Take your math notebook. Write today's date. Write the date, children, without forgetting. Write today's date. Then only we'll know at what date we are doing the activity. Okay? Ready? Find which is greater. First sum. Second sum. Third sum. Fourth one. And the fifth one. Five sums are given here. Find the greater number, children. The topic is find the greater number. Take a fresh page. Write today's date. First sum is 24 and 29. Second sum is 38 and 41. Third sum is 15 and 12. Fourth sum is 55 and 64. Parents, copy down the sums and give it to them. Fourth sum is 55 and 64. Fifth sum is 28 and 21. If you want to draw beads and identify, leave the space accordingly and write the next sum. Okay? If you don't want, you can find it as it is means also it is okay. Try doing it on your own, children. You have to be independent on your own because we are in the end of term 2. We are going to start our term 3. Then you will be going to senior KG. If the school starts, who will help you? Only the teacher. At that time, your mummy or daddy or brother, whoever it is, will not be near you. So now itself, you have to habituate how to do yourself. Okay? Think and do. You ask questions to yourself and do. So how will you find out the greater number? First sum, I'll do it for you, children. First, underline the first number. Check whether it is same or different. If it is the same number, strike it out. Move on to the next number. Okay, find which is the greater number and circle it. Greater na periya number, not the smaller number. Let's start doing it.
ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Who finished? Mahirni, this much faster. She herself did it or you helped her, Mahirni's dad?
ஹெல்ப் பண்ணல மேம்.
அவங்களே பண்ணிட்டாங்களா?
ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்றதெல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியாது. she did it.
Very good, Mahirni. Good. Well done. Next, yes, Visha. Visha. Yes. Visha's mom frequently is questioning you, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
அந்த மாதிரி இல்லாம இண்டிபெண்டன்ட்டா she herself has, you know, it will become a habit.
Yes. எல்லாத்துக்குமே
Okay,
ஒரு
next.
கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் தான்
That's what I can see, but she knows everything. She is clear with whatever she is learning. That I am very clear about that. But frequently she is questioning you.
Yes,
When she goes to school, that will not happen. Okay? So இப்பவே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா நீயே பண்ணுன்னு சொல்லுங்க. தப்போ கரெக்டோ whatever it is we'll accept. Okay? No one is going to punish her. Okay? அந்த இது வந்து நீங்க தான் கொடுக்கணும் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ். சரிங்களா? அவளுக்கு அந்த பயத்தினால தான் கேக்குறா. தப்பா பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அடிச்சிடுவாங்களோ, திட்டிடுவாங்களோ, அந்த பயம் தான், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. சோ அந்த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் நீங்க தான் கொடுக்கணும். சரிங்களா? Okay, fine. Yes, Keshav, you did it on your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Really, Keshav?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Thank you, Keshav. Very good, Keshav. I know that simply I asked you, Keshav. Next, who else finished? Hazel. Hazel, you did it on your own or your mama helped you?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You did it on your own?
You did it or you know or not? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next, Vihan, finish.
Yes, ma'am. He is done.
Okay. How did he do his activity? He did it on his
ma'am.
own or you
Upon
helped him?
seeing the number itself, he found which is greater.
My
Ma'am.
chocolate area.
Very good, Vihan. Well done.
My chocolate area.
Next, Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam also. Mummy is keeping on instructing you. Okay? That you have to do it on your own. And you have to prove your mama.
என்ன ரீசன்னே தெரியல மேம். ஆனா அவனே பண்ணிடுவான் கரெக்டா. என்னன்னு கேட்டா மட்டும் சொல்லவே மாட்டேங்கிறான் மேம். எனக்கு அவன் புரிஞ்சு பண்றானான்னு தான் டவுட்.
That's what you are keeping on instructing him. ஆனா அதை கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருக்கான். ஆனா ஒரு பதிலும் சொல்றது இல்லை. I can see from here. That's what you don't question him. Stop questioning. Okay? Just observe how he is doing. தப்பு பண்ணா மட்டும் அந்த டைம் மட்டும் you correct him. Okay? Or else you leave him. Let him do it on his own.
நம்பருக்கு ஸ்ட்ரைக் பண்றதே இல்ல மேம். He himself will do.
Why, ma? இல்ல, that has to be done. I already told you, because when starting itself, many parents ask me, ma'am, greater number, smaller number, it is very difficult. I don't know how my child is going to do. But what I told you is, panna, they will just skip all the steps, and finally, by seeing the number itself, they'll identify. When they go to senior KG.
மட்டும் பார்த்தே சொல்லிடுறான். இப்போ 2
Yeah, that's it.
அப்படி பண்ணிடுறான்.
Yeah, it is not compulsory that they have to go stepwise. Stepwise is the only for doing it easily. Okay, for confusion illama irukradhukkaga da stepwise solradhu. Okay, if you are able to find out the number by seeing itself, very well and good.
Okay. Thank you.
So don't be frightened or scared. Nothing wrong in that. Good boy, Sukri. Chamattu Sukri. Next, you finished.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. You're always raising your hand. Why is that?
He himself is doing something from here, ma'am.
டொக்குன்னு அழுத்திட்டே இருக்க வேண்டியதா? Next, Mitra. Naughty boy. Finished, Mitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mitra is also having lot of doubts.
I don't know, but she's struggling with this greater number concept, ma'am.
Why? But she used to do nicely only before and all.
Maybe she forgot it completely.
Okay, fine. I want you to give more and more sums regarding this. Daily at least 2-3 sums you give her. Not only greater number, smaller number also, alternatively. One day greater number, one day smaller number. Repeated she is having lot of doubts. That's what she is confirming it with you, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, not about the steps, whatever she knows, let her do it. Last, when she finishes the activity, you teach her this is wrong, why that is wrong. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
எதனால அது தப்பா இருக்கு, எப்படி அதை மாத்தி எழுதணும். ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. In between, parents please stop advising them or stop helping them. Let them do it on their own. Next year definitely the school will reopen. I know that. At that time when they go to school, they will expect the same thing. So please stop advising them throughout the activity. Okay, just you sit and watch them, that is enough. That guidance you give them. Okay, finished. Everyone has done it correctly. Taruneshwar still doing. Note it down, parents, wherever they are very weak in greater number, smaller number, or else blending sounds. That activity alone, you focus more and give them recap more and more in that. படிச்சதே திருப்பி படின்னு சொல்லவே தேவையில்லை. எது அவங்களுக்கு நிறைய வரலையோ, இப்போ எனக்கு கிரேட்டர் நம்பர் தெரியல, ஸ்மாலர் நம்பர் தெரியல என் குழந்தைக்கு அப்படின்னா, அந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தை மட்டும் ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லி கொடுங்க போதும். டெய்லி நீ ஃபோனிக் சவுண்ட்ஸ் படி, டெய்லி பிளண்டிங் சவுண்ட் படி அப்படி சொல்ல வேணாம் அவசியமே கிடையாது. Okay, in which area they are very weak, try to give more recap in that area alone. Other areas are not, just a small recap கொடுத்தா போதும். Ananya, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. How did you finish it, Ananya?
For the digits which are starting with same number, right? She's able to identify without the steps, ma'am. So when it is like the first digit is different, there she's stuck and she's finding hard. So now with the beats, she is able to identify, ma'am.
Okay, I want you to give more and more sums regularly. Greater number and smaller number. One day greater number and one day smaller number. At least 3 sums they have to do in the slate or notebook, whatever it is. Okay, so that they will not go beyond that touch. They will not forget it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
Very
ma'am.
good, children. Give a high five to ma'am, everyone. High five. High five, everyone. Yes, very good, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Yes, bye, children. Yes, bye, everyone. Bye, children.